Hi everybody, today we will be sharing the 360 X3 smart doorbell. What will the status be on the phone and what will the status be for the LED light when the device is charging through the USB-C and also when it's being placed on the battery pack. So let's get that started. On the table itself, what you see is the base unit, the main doorbell, the phone here which is installed with the application, and also the external battery pack. So you can see that the main unit and the device right now is placed side by side. On the display is showing 95%. The Wi-Fi signal is pretty weak from my location here because my work desk and my Wi-Fi router is quite some distance away. The unit itself now is currently being powered by its internal battery level at 49%, and the battery pack is not connected. You can see that because it's detecting motion, the blue LED being light up. Let's see what will the status be when the unit is being charged through USB-C. You can see that the unit itself, when being charging through the USB-C, it is on the red LED, and the device, after a refresh of the main page, it will be displaying Type-C, the battery level 49%, and battery pack is not connected. So now let's place the battery pack connected to the device while the USB-C is connected. What will the status be? When the battery pack is connected and the USB-C is connected, the LED light has been turned off. There is no indication on the device. Let's refresh the page. On the software application, it is displaying power source as power pack, battery level 49%, and the battery pack itself is 96%. Let's remove the battery pack and see what will be the update be. After the battery pack is being removed, the device being powered by the USB-C and the internal battery, it is on charging status, it is a red LED. After refreshing on the application itself, it is displaying power source as Type-C, battery level at 49%, and battery pack is not connected. Let's do the other way around now. Let's place the battery pack connected first, then the USB-C. First, let's disconnect the USB-C. Okay, refresh the device health. Device health is displaying power source is battery level is 49%, battery pack is not connected. Let's connect the battery pack. The battery pack is currently connected to the device. Okay, there is no indication on the battery pack itself. There is no LED being light up. The device itself, because it's detecting motion, is displaying blue, but it is not displaying red. Okay, while the device itself is being charged by the external battery pack. Let's refresh the application. On the application itself, is displaying power source as battery pack, battery level as 49%, and the battery pack is 96%. So in this status right now, the device which is being charged by the external battery pack is actually charging, but it's not displaying red. Let's plug in the USB-C. See what will the status be. USB-C connected. Let's refresh the device health. Device health is displaying now power source is still at battery pack, battery level at 49%, and battery pack at 96%. So what does the above demonstration has demonstrated is that no matter in what sequence you place in the USB-C first or the battery pack, the device, the application will be always displaying power source as battery pack when the battery pack is connected to the device. So let's remove the battery pack and run the device through the USB-C. Let's disconnect this. You can see that the light itself is already red. Let's refresh the page. Now the power source is Type-C, battery level 49%, and battery pack is not connected. So to conclude, as long as the device itself is being connected to USB-C, it will be always charging and it will be showing red. Okay, but once the device is being connected with a battery pack, it will not show its charging status through the LED light. The only way to see whether it's charging is through the application itself. Next, we will be talking about the external battery pack. The external battery pack, the indicator itself, when it's being charged, it will be showing red. As you can see, once it is being charged through the USB connection, the LED status on the front panel will be displaying red. When it's fully charged, it will turn blue. As for how much is being charged inside, there is no LED indication right here to say how much percentage. The only way to know how much percentage the battery pack is being charged is to connect the battery pack to the main device itself, then use the software application to check on the battery pack percentage instead. As you can see, while the main unit being charged by the external battery pack, the battery pack does not show any indication that it is charging the main unit, and the main unit doesn't show that it is being charged by the external battery pack. Through the manual that was being packed together with the device, on the main unit manual, it shows that the doorbell LED indication, when it's being charged, it is a solid red light, and fully charged, it will be a solid blue light. So it does show when it's being charging with the USB-C, it is a solid red light. But when it is being charged by an external device, it doesn't show the solid red light. As for the battery pack manual, it did not indicate clearly while the battery pack is being charged what indicator it is and when it's fully charged. As for my experiment, during charging, the LED will be red, and once it's full, it will be showing blue. One point to point out, when I received the package, I had placed the unit to be charging through the USB for about 24 hours. At the end of 24 hours, it did not show any LED status. It was when on the first connection with the device, then the LED started blinking, and I found out that the battery pack itself was indicating 0% on the application. With that in mind, I placed the unit back into USB charging, and surprisingly, the LED light came on to red. After 9 hours of charging, the battery indicator displayed as blue as full. As a pointer for new owners and new users, once you receive the device, do connect the external battery pack to the device first, then place the external battery pack to charging. Thank you all for watching. If you think that this video has helped you in any ways, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a full review of the 360 X3 in time to come. Thank you very much and see you next time.